Most California drivers have never been in a serious accident, but California recorded 164,596 injuries from car collisions in 2024 alone. According to the California DMV, most drivers will be involved in at least one collision in their lifetime. When that moment comes, the decisions made in the first 60 seconds determine everything that follows. The insurance claim, the legal outcome, the compensation, and in some cases, whether criminal charges apply. Most drivers freeze, most drivers do the wrong things, and most drivers do not find out how badly they handled it until weeks later when the claim comes back denied. This video covers 8 things California law requires, or strongly recommends, you do in the first 60 seconds after an accident. Drop the word accident in the comments right now if you have ever been in a collision in California. Tell us what happened and whether you knew any of these steps at the time. Subscribe. Every week we cover what California law says about your car that nobody told you. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult a licensed California attorney for guidance specific to your situation. Number 1. Stay at the scene. This is not optional. Under California Vehicle Code Section 2001 and 2002, leaving the scene of an accident involving injury, death, or property damage is a criminal offense. If there are injuries, leaving the scene is a felony hit and run. Penalties include up to 4 years in state prison. If there is only property damage and no injuries, leaving is still a misdemeanor. The moment you drive away, the incident stops being an accident and becomes a crime. Stay at the scene. Move your vehicle to the shoulder or a safe area if it is creating a hazard. But do not leave. Number 2. Check for injuries before anything else. Before you call anyone. Before you take a single photo. Check yourself. Check your passengers. Check the other vehicle. Adrenaline after a collision can mask pain. Injuries that feel minor in the first 60 seconds, whiplash, soft tissue damage, concussion symptoms, can become serious within hours. If anyone is injured, call 911 immediately. Do not wait to assess the damage to the vehicles first. The vehicles can wait. Number 3. Turn on your hazard lights. This is California Vehicle Code Section 24604. Hazard lights must be activated whenever a vehicle is stopped on a roadway in a position that creates a hazard to other traffic. A stalled or stopped vehicle after a collision on a California road or freeway is exactly that hazard. Hazard lights reduce the risk of a secondary collision, which is a serious and documented danger at California accident scenes. Activate them immediately. Number 4. Call 911. Even if you think the accident is minor. Even if both drivers agree there are no injuries. In California, if the accident involves any injury or property damage exceeding $1,000, you are legally required to report it. $1,000 in vehicle damage is not a high threshold. A minor rear-end collision at low speed can easily exceed that. A police report creates an official record of the incident. That record is critical if the other driver later disputes what happened. Without it, your account versus theirs. With it, a documented record from an officer on the scene. Call 911. Number 5. Do not admit fault. Not to the other driver, not to witnesses, not to the officer, not to anyone. California follows a comparative negligence system. That means fault can be shared between multiple parties, and compensation is reduced by the percentage of fault assigned to each driver. A statement like, "I am sorry" or "I did not see you," made at the scene, even informally, can be used as an admission of fault in the legal process that follows. You do not know yet what caused the accident. The other driver may have been speeding. The road conditions may have contributed. A mechanical failure may be a factor. None of that is visible in the first 60 seconds. Do not assign blame. Do not accept blame. State the facts to the officer. Let the investigation determine fault. Number 6. Exchange information. Exactly what the law requires. California Vehicle Code Section 16225 specifies exactly what must be exchanged after an accident. Your full name and current address, your driver's license number, your vehicle registration number, your insurance company name and policy number, the name and address of the registered owner of the vehicle, if it is not you. That is the legal minimum. Beyond that, also record the other driver's license plate, the make and model of their vehicle, and their phone number. If there are witnesses, get their names and contact information. Do not rely on the police report alone. Officers may not capture every witness. They may record details differently than you remember. Get the information yourself. Number 7. Document the scene. Your phone is your most important tool in the next few minutes. Photograph everything before vehicles are moved if it is safe to do so. The position of both vehicles, the damage to both vehicles, any skid marks on the road, any debris, any traffic signals or signs visible from the scene, any visible injuries, the license plates of all involved vehicles. Photograph the other driver's license and insurance card as well. These photographs create a record that cannot be altered later. Memories change, stories change, photographs do not. Number 8. File the SR1 form within 10 days. Most California drivers have never heard of this form. It is one of the most commonly missed legal requirements after an accident. If your accident involved any injury, any death or property damage exceeding $1,000, you are required by law to file a report of traffic accident occurring in California, called the SR1 form, with the California DMV within 10 days of the accident. Not 10 business days, 10 calendar days. Failure to file the SR1 can result in your California driver's license being suspended. The SR1 is separate from the police report. Filing one does not replace the other. Both are required. The form is available on the California DMV website and takes approximately 10 minutes to complete. Miss the deadline, and the consequences can follow you for years. Here is what most California drivers do after an accident. They exchange information, they take a few photos, they call their insurance company, and they assume that is enough. It is not. Leaving the scene too early, saying sorry at the wrong moment, missing the SR1 deadline, failing to get witness information the officer did not collect. Each of those mistakes cost money. Some of them cost significantly more. The accident itself is not always what damages a claim. What happens in the 60 seconds after it is. Now you know what to do. Drop the number of these steps you already knew in the comments. 0 to 8, subscribe. Every week, one more thing California law says about your car that nobody told you.